Growth is a good thing. Last year, my company doubled in size. That's why I chose the IBM BladeCenter S. It has servers, switches, management, even an entire storage area network built into a single package. Getting started was a breeze. The IBM BladeCenter Start Now Advisor showed me how to connect to the chassis, took a quick system inventory, updated the software automatically, and let me set up my password and network all from a single console. It also makes storage setup like zoning and RAID very easy. Plus, IBM BladeCenter comes with a service advisor for free, like having 24/7 IT staff on site. If something fails, it automatically alerts me and the IBM service team. They figure out the best way to help me solve the problem while I get to run my business. Storage was a big concern of ours. With BladeCenter S, there's an entire storage area network built right in. This means that any server on the chassis can share disks with other servers. With BladeCenter S, I can use different storage for different applications. SAS disks for my database and CRM applications, and SATA and nearline SAS disks for my file and print applications. Storage done BladeCenter S style's not only easy, it gives me better performance at a lower price. So far this year, we've opened a store a month. Our hair's on fire, but our IT infrastructure's fine, thanks to two new Blade servers, the IBM BladeCenter HS12 and the JS12. Perfect for my web, file, print, and security applications, the BladeCenter HS12 lets me choose between single, dual, or quad-core Intel Xeon processors. I was able to replace 5 of my older dual processor servers with just one of the HS12 servers and reduce my power consumption by up to 85%. Across 50 locations, that's not just going green, it's saving green. You know, some applications are just built better on AIX. That's why I love the BladeCenter JS12 server. It's affordable, has two 64-bit cores on a single processor, and can run AIX, IBM I, or even Linux. I put my CRM, ERP, and database applications on this server. Best of all, both the HS12 and JS12 can be used in the same BladeCenter S chassis, allowing me to deploy the same IT as the large companies, only on a much smaller budget. The BladeCenter S technology simplifies virtualization. Now that the servers, network, and SAN storage are all in the same chassis, complexity goes out the window. I can virtualize my applications and at the same time virtualize the storage on my disks. Now I can run 10 to 15 virtual servers on a single physical server. Less expensive and more profit to my bottom line. So, do you think it's too risky to deploy all my IT on a single BladeCenter S? Not at all. The BladeCenter S has redundant everything. Power supplies, cooling fans, right down to the network and SAN switches. Plus, I also get to choose the backup method that's best for me. BladeCenter supports backup on disk or tape, giving me real peace of mind. Okay, right about now you're thinking, so where do I stash the BladeCenter S? The BladeCenter S chassis is quiet, fits under my desk, plugs into my standard wall sockets. With the optional BladeCenter Office Enablement Kit, I get front and back locking doors, so no one can walk away with my customer files. Before BladeCenter S, I spent as much time chasing dust bunnies as serving customers. I can't risk having my servers become clogged with dust, so I use the airborne contaminant filter option to help protect my systems from dust and dirt. And when you factor in the potential benefit of related IBM services such as flexible choice leasing, jumpstart training, or global asset recovery, BladeCenter S is the kind of technology a growing business like mine simply can't afford to do without, especially when it's about to go global. Did I mention that? Maybe I better get a couple more servers in here.